All right, let us quickly solve this Olympiad math problem. Okay, I have 3 raised to power x is equal to x raised to power 9. So how do you solve this problem? First of all, let us take all the variables to one side and all the constants or all the numbers to one side. Okay, so this is now if I have 3 raised to power x is equal to x raised to power 9. Now you know that for this x to move to this side, like we always do, if x squared is equal to 9, so x will now be the square root of 9. How do we get this square root? This is over 1. So if it is moving here, it becomes the reciprocal. So x is the same as saying 9 raised to power 1 over 2. Right? So now, so which means if this one is going here, it becomes 1 over 2. So this is 3 raised to power. This is 3 raised to power 1 over 9, while this one will now be x raised to power 1 over x. Okay, so the 9 came to this side and the x went to this side, becomes inverse of them. So the next thing we have to do is, now I have x raised to power 1 over x. Now I need something that will be raised to power 1 over that same thing, because this is x is raised to power 1 over the same x. All right, so you think of it now. Watch this now. If I say 3 raised to power 3 over 3 times 1 over x, 1 over 9. I hope you know that 3 over 3 is 1. So 1 times this is still the same thing as this. I did not change anything. Okay? Is equal to x raised to power what? 1 over x. Now, this is the same thing as saying, watch me. This is the same thing as saying 3 raised to power 3, all raised to power. This and this will give me 1 over 27. Is it not? Is equal to what? X raised to power what? 1 over x. So finally, what do you have now? You're going to have that this is 3 raised to power 3 is 27. So this is something like saying 27 raised to power 1 over 27, and is equal to what? X raised to power 1 over x. So you see that automatically x is equal to what? 27. So that is that. So thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.